Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the California burritos, so let's go ahead and gather everything and get started. Shrimp in plastic bags. Cutting board. 1 orange cut in half. 1 lime cut in half. Fight with box to get the plastic bag. Retrieve bag. Place shrimp in bag. Spritz of lemon. And Cajun season. Bit more. Last, some oil. Squeeze all the air out. Shaky, shaky. Marinate for 6 hours or up to a day. Another bag. 2 skirt steaks. 1/2 of an orange. The other half of an orange. 1 lime, same joke. Some soy sauce. Cumin. And oregano. About a tablespoon of each. Squeeze out air. Shaky, shaky, 6 hours up to a day. I have potatoes. Inspect your knife. There we go. Nice clean potatoes. I leave the skin on. Cut in half. Cut half into thirds. Put in cold water. Let sit for an hour. Alright, time for Spanish rice. We got some onions and garlic. And aroma tomato chopped. We're going to get these until they begin to clarify. Like so. Now we add 2 cups of rice. Long grain wild. And we're going to brown it up. Here we are. From here, we add 3 cups of chicken stock. Stir that in. Make sure you don't have any clumps. Add some cumin, about 2 tablespoons. Some salt. And pepper. And stir that in. Cover it up for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until fluffy, like here. Now, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to cook our Carne Asada steak. I realized shortly I should have grabbed a bigger pan. Pour in a little bit of that marinade. Stir it all together. And we're going to cover it up until it's nice and tender, as you can see here. Alright, now it's time for shrimp. Just dump it all in there. Stir it all in, making sure that the butter coats every piece. We're going to cover it up for about 5 minutes until you get this beautiful piece of artwork right here. Alright, time for potatoes. We're just going to blanch them at first for around 4 to 5 minutes. Pull them out of the heat. Let sit for about another minute or 2, letting them cook the rest. And back down to get that crisp outer layer. Alright, let's build this monster. First layer, sour cream. Spread it around. Second layer, unmashed guacamole, because this was spur of the moment and it's impossible to find ripe avocados where I live. Third layer, Spanish rice. Fourth layer, Carne Asada. and I begin to suspect I overestimated the tortilla. Shrimp. And last are potatoes. And now I know I have overestimated the capacity of this tortilla. And now it's time to roll it up. Give me a second. Hold on. Burrito! I was never that good at rolling burritos, but oh well. Let's take a look at this cross-section. And as always, it's the inside that counts. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This was absolutely delicious and so much fun to make. I will see you guys next time. Enjoy!